much. Like, I don't mind paying the price for microblading, but paying somebody to tint them, not really my tea.
100 bands. That's a broke facts, motherfuckers. They ain't wanna see my hustle grow legs like the running man. Get me upset, your bitches obsessed. I ran the shit.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Leah, if you guys don't know already, and today I'm coming to you guys with something a little different. So I've been wanting to get my brows microbladed, right? But since I'm pregnant, I can't do that. So I've been like, you know, looking at what could I do to, you know, darken my brows, or, you know, walk around like my brows is already done, right? So, you know, there's always a DIY to everything. So I came across brow tinting, and paying somebody to tint my brows is just too much. Like, I don't mind paying the price for microblading, but paying somebody to tint them, not really my tea. So I was like, there's always a DIY to everything. So so I was looking up tinting your brows at home videos, and I came across this product right here. So this is, okay, focus, this is a men's beard dye, right? Yeah, like when men's hair is growing gray or whatever. So it's a men's beard dye, and I see people tinting their brows with this product. So I was like, I think I should give it a try. So sorry if the light is going up and down the window outside. I probably should have put that blackout sheet over it. So when I saw that this is possible, I was like, let me try it. So I'm gonna try it with y'all, because y'all already know we fam or whatever. So in the box, this is like the little beard brush. I don't need that. Come with some instructions, comes with a developer and a color base. So, and it also comes with gloves. I'm gonna put the gloves on just in case. I'm a messy bitch, so I think it's probably it's probably good that I do put on the gloves. All right, so gloves are on, but before I do that, I see people taking concealer that they will like use for their like regular, if they're doing their brows. I see people taking concealer, and where's my concealer brush? It's always like right here because I use it the most. I'll find it, but oh, here you go. So I see people taking, that's not it. Get it together, Lee, get it together. So I see people taking concealer and putting it around their brows so that the tint doesn't get everywhere else, and kind of like gives you the shape that you want. So when you're tinting them, you can have that shape that you want, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna take some, put it on this brush. I'm just trying to figure out where the fuck is my angle brush. Like, I don't ever lose her, because if anything, I'm gonna do my brows. I don't know, I need to clean this room though. It's a fucking mess, to be honest. Put a little bit more. All right, so they go in and they kind of like carve out their brows. So when you put in the tint, it gives you that shape. You're gonna be able to get the shape that you want. Okay, y'all, so I brought you guys in closer because I feel like y'all couldn't see, and then it's just the lighting from it being like so bright outside. So I was trying to make this like super formal, but y'all gotta get all up in my shit to see this. So yeah, I even, hold on y'all, this is for like, this is vlog style now, to be honest. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so yeah, I went ahead and did the concealer. I used a lighter concealer than I was using already, because I couldn't see the other one. It was just way too close to my skin tone, and I couldn't see. I feel like y'all can't see. I'm tripping. Let me just keep going. So so yeah, so it has like a little mixing bowl. So I'm gonna apply the developer in there. I'm sure I don't need too much. I just did 2 squirts of developer, and then I'm going to use maybe 3, we'll do 4 squirts of the dye. It's pretty much all mixed up. It looks like hair dye. You know, when you have like black hair dye, it kind of has like that brownish color. I'm gonna drop just one more drop of dye in there, just like one little small dot, just to make sure I have an even amount of developer versus the dye, because the developer was way thicker than the actual color. All right, so here's the fun part. So I'm going to use this small angle brush to go ahead and do this with, so I can get like the neatest application. I'm gonna start with my hard brow first. This is my stupid brow. This is the brow that never wants to cooperate, the one that act like it don't have no sense, the one that act like we ain't been together our whole lives. This is the brow that does that. All right, so I'm gonna start at the ends. Now I wonder if it like tints your skin. I wonder, you know what I'm saying, if it will tint my skin. So like, you know, when I'm drawing them with like a pencil, I kind of go on my skin to give me like that desired arch I like. This is so nerve-wracking, because what if I fuck this up? Okay, I'm not. Let's not be negative, Leah. Okay, calm down, calm down. All right. I'm gonna just try to go in upward strokes for the front part of my brow, like I would normally do if I was, you know, okay. This one I just went right on in real fast because I was like, oh, this is my good brow, but let me calm down. Now it's getting dark and I can't see. Fuck. Y'all, the sun went down, so it's getting dark, so I can't see, so I'm gonna turn my light back on. And then like the same one, I'm just gonna take the residue and go like up. I feel like my hand is so much more heavier on this brow. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, just keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. I know if they look harsh right now, it's because it's dye on them. It's because it's dye on them. That's why they look a little crazy, Leah. So don't get scared. It's just a little dye on them, so that's why they looking a little rough. I don't know. Okay, well, let me read the instructions. How long am I supposed to leave this shit on? Probably should have did that before. Okay, it says 5 minutes or a bit less prevents color from going too dark. All right, you guys. So, all right, you guys. So I'm gonna take a wet wipe And I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this one off because they said a little less than 5 minutes to keep it from getting dark, and I already had it on while I was doing this brow. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it off and let's see what it did. If it did anything. Oh wait, I think I like them. This is alright. They're not as cute. I mean, no, hold on. Let me finish. Okay. So this is the first one. This is how it came out. I think it came out cute. It's just weird. It's weird because I've never had this before, but I think it came out pretty cute. Listen to me trying to make myself feel good. Okay. Just to make sure I didn't fuck up. I hate fucking up. I don't fuck up on DIY to my face. Okay. See, this is my good brow. Okay, this is how I look. I feel like y'all are focused so y'all can't really see, or maybe y'all can see. I'm just slow. I don't know. It's like the way I look when I'm looking at myself on camera. When I'm editing, I look fine, but when I'm filming, I feel like I look a mess. Like I look crazy. Let me get my, where's my spoolie? Where's all my shit? Like, did I move? What the fuck? So let me bring you guys closer because I feel like y'all can't see. So boom, these are my brows. What y'all think? Did I fuck them up, or are they cute? I think they're cute. I think that I really like them. Like the more that they're on my face and the more I'm getting used to it, the more I like it. Only thing is, I wish I could have really got this one arched like how I wanted it to be, like, you know, just sitting on my face. I feel like I did a better job with this one with the arch a little bit, but I mean, other than that, I mean, I feel like I did what I was supposed to do. Okay, y'all, look, so this video, it's all over the place, but hopefully y'all can still appreciate it. So what I decided to do, since this stuff does like dye your skin, where I, you know, did my brows with makeup to like create the arch, I'm gonna go back in with the dye and I'm gonna dye the part that I color like with makeup to see if I can get like a better, you know what I'm saying, result of what I want when it comes to like shape. So I'm doing it again, but just the part where like I want a shape. Y'all see? Cause I feel like I can be a little more satisfied than I am. Alright, y'all, so I let it sit for a little bit. Now I'm about to wipe it off. That ain't do shit. Alright, y'all, I just wanted to see, you know, a little trial and error moment. That didn't really do nothing. So these are my brows after me tinting them. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a little cringy, but yeah, I love you guys so much. Let me know if you guys tint your own eyebrows at home, or what do you do to tint them if you do do that, if you do something different than what I do. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, excuse me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.